How to properly use Flashfood discount. This video will serve as your instruction guide of how to use Flashfood discount. To get started, download the Flashfood app. Go to your App Store or either Google Play Store. Search for Flashfood and tap Install. Open the app. If you already have an account, then you can proceed. But if you don't have, enter Get Started and provide your basic info. Set your location. Enter your postal code to find stores near you. Find discounts. Browse the list of discount groceries at nearby participating stores. Items may include meat, dairy, and bakery goods, often up to 50% off. Add items to your cart. Tap an item to view details and tap Add to Cart to select it. For checkout, go to your cart and tap Checkout. You can either pay with a credit card or debit card in the app. And that is all on how to use Flashfood for its discount. Other tips may include to check the app early in the day for new deals and also turn on notifications for restocks.